What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix your laptops is having freezing problem on your Windows 11. Not only your laptop, you can do the same if you're having the trouble with the PC as well. So how we can do this? The first and foremost step, you have to do a restart on your system. So just go over here in the start. Now from here click over here on the three dot menu and do a restart. Once the restart is done, just go over here, search for CMD and you have to click on run as administrator and you have to go for run as administrator and go for yes. Now from here what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the next one that is all about SFC, put a space / scan now and you have to press enter. That's what you have to try. So this is the first and foremost step, and once it's successfully done we just need to close this and you have to check. Next one is all about just go over here, search for the settings and you have to click on the settings. Now from here we need to click over here on the Windows, just keep scrolling down and navigate to Windows Update and just update your Windows. So if you're having any kind of pending updates like KB50 over here like this, you just need to make sure one thing, just update your Windows, and if any KB pending is there, just update it as well, and once afterwards you have to check. Still if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here, search for the settings and you have to click on the settings over here. Now from here the very most important thing that everyone is having the issue, just go to the apps. Now from here navigate to the startup apps. So over here as you can see there are a lot of things over here, so make sure these things, actually these are some of the apps that is in the startup, so which I turn off myself in order to avoid these kind of issue. So what I'm saying is if you're having the trouble with the freezing and all those things, just turn off all these things. The unwanted things can be turned off completely, and even the Steam, if I don't want to run it in the background, so I can just turn it off as well. So just close everything over here and you have to check. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the run command and you have to click on the run command, and this time type %temp, just press enter. That's going to take you to this. Now press Ctrl A, right click over here and go for delete option over here and delete it. Once the delete is successfully done, we just need to close this, go over here, search for the run command and press enter. Just type %temp over here, you have to type % and press enter. And this time what we need to do is just select everything over here using the Ctrl A and go for the trash icon and delete it. That's an important one. Just go for delete everything that I have. Possibly everything can be deleted, and once everything is successfully deleted you have to check. And next one is all about, after trying with this, still if you are having the trouble, you can use the softwares like malware bytes, so which is actually I have downloaded and installed it. All you have to do is just use this particular software which is actually free, which is I'm recommending to you guys. You can download this and install and you can just check your computer. So it will be cross-checking every single files. If any files are corrupted and if any files are having issue, all these kind of issues will be fixed by this, so you can try this out as well. So these are the steps and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.